Good morning, students. Welcome to our this practice paper. Today I will discuss conjunctions and contractions. Today I will discuss conjunctions and contractions. First we know what is conjunctions. What is conjunctions? A conjunction is a word that joins other words, groups of words or two sentences together. A conjunction is a word that joins other words, groups of words or two sentences together. A conjunction is a word that joins other words, groups of words or two sentences together. How it will that join? Like you see, mother loves me. Mother loves me. She takes care of me. My mother loves me, one sentence, and the next sentence, she take cares of me. She take cares of me. She takes care of me. My mother loves me. She takes care of me. If I want to join this sentence in one sentence, see, my mother loves me and takes care of me. My mother loves me and takes care of me. Now you see the next. You could wait here. You could wait here or go home. You could wait. If I want to write the two sentences, if you could wait, and the next line is you go home. So what is the answer? If I will want to join here, you could wait here or go home. You could wait here or go home. So like and, or, but, because, so, this type of words we are using for conjunctions. And, or, but, because, so, while, although, if, when, until, yet, for, nor, this type of words we are using in conjunctions. Again I am repeating what is conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins other words, groups of words or two sentences together. If I want to say one sentence, this dress is pretty. This dress is pretty. This dress is pretty, and the next sentence is this dress is too expensive. This dress is too expensive. But I want to join in the one sentence. What we will put here? What we will write? This dress is pretty but too expensive. This dress is pretty but too expensive. Okay, so let me start to solve the questions. Sam went to the shop dash purchased gifts for his friend. Sam went to the shop dash purchased gifts for his friend. Sam went to the shop and purchased gifts for his friend. I will have my lunch dash I reach home. I will have my lunch after I reach home. Sina is so weak and she cannot walk properly. Sina is so weak dash she cannot walk properly. So here answer is Sina is so weak that she cannot walk properly. Be careful dash you will fall. Be careful dash you will fall. Be careful or you will fall. Our team played well dash we could not win the match. Our team played well, still we could not win the match. I did not go to school dash I was not well. I did not go to school as I was not well. All the shops were closed dash we reached the market late. All the shops were closed because we reached the market late. Ronnie studies a lot dash he wants to score well. Ronnie studies a lot dash he wants to score well. Ronnie studies a lot since he wants to score well. Our exams are near dash we must study seriously. Our exams are near, so we must study seriously. I did not like eggs. I don't like eggs dash I eat them. I don't like eggs, yet I eat them. Choose the sentence with the correct use of conjunctions. See the options. Here only the options. Choose the sentence with the correct use of conjunction. Although Rehan ran first, he missed the metro. Rehan ran first, he although missed the metro. Rehan although ran first, he missed the metro. All of this. Here the answer is although Rehan ran fast, he missed the metro. Number 12. They will serve desserts with we have our dinner. They will serve dessert that we have our dinner. They will serve desserts after we have our dinner. They will serve dessert too, so we have our dinner. Here the answer is they will serve dessert after we have our dinner. Little Johnny could not play as it was raining. As it was raining, little Johnny could not play. Both A and B, none of this. Here answer is both are right. Little Johnny could not play as it was raining, or as it was raining, little Johnny could not play. The teacher knew that we are talking. The teacher knew but we are talking. The teacher knew so we are talking. The teacher knew or we were talking. Here the teacher knew that we are talking. This is an expensive so useful gift. This is an expensive that useful gift. This is an expensive but useful gift. Both B and C. Here the answer is this is an expensive but useful gift. The child was crying so he had lost his toy. The child was crying but he had lost his toy. The child was crying because he had lost his toy. The child was crying if he had lost his toy. Here the answer is the child was crying because he had lost his toy. I shall not help you but you listen to me. I shall not help you unless you listen to me. I shall not help you that you listen to me. I shall not help you and you listen to me. I shall not help you unless you listen to me. Number 18, if it rains, we shall dance. It rains because we shall dance. It rains but we shall dance. None of this. Here, if it rains, we shall dance. Combine the two given sentences with appropriate conjunction. I did not attend the party, I was ill. It is the sentence. We need to hear the appropriate, choose the appropriate answer. These two sentences are here. I did not attend the party, I was ill. I did not attend the party because I was ill. I did not attend the party but I was ill. I did not attend the party so I was ill. I did not attend the party and I was ill. Here the answer is first one. I did not attend the party because I was ill. Amit is reading, Sam is reading. Amit and Sam are reading. This one the answer. Number D. Fill in the blanks with appropriate contractions. So first we know what is contractions. What is contraction? Contraction is a shortened. Contraction is a shortened form. Shortened means which wants to need short, small. A contraction is a shortened form of a word that omits certain letters or sounds. Means something we need to left. Something we need to left, like he would, he would, he would. But if we want to do that contraction, if I will write he, then apostrophe, then D only, then this he would, this part is over. No need to write the full thing. He would, he would. These parts no need to write. If you will write here he, then apostrophe, then D only, then these things are covered. So, number 21. Dash like to work for you if you desire so. Here the answer is I. I would like to work for you if you desire so. Riya does like fish or any other seafood. Riya does not like fish. Doesn't. See here, doesn't. DOES does, NOT not. So if here we are doing here contraction, so we no need to the total thing does not. We have written here doesn't, DOESN comma then T. Doesn't. 23. Dash devised a way to deal with preferring. Here the answer is they have. They have decided a way to deal with preferring. 24. Dash reading Taslima Nasreen's novel. Dash reading Taslima Nasreen's novel. C. C is reading. C is, you see here, I is not here, so C. Then S, so C is reading Taslima Nasreen's novel. 25. Sarita dash think of ignoring the duties that were assigned to her by her boss. Sarita dash think of ignoring the duties that were assigned to her by her boss. So here the answer is Sarita could not think of ignoring. Sarita could not think of ignoring the duties that were assigned to her by her boss. We dash neglect traffic rules. We must not neglect traffic rules. If it annoys you so much, I promise I won't, W-O-N-T, won't do it again. Dash have to finish your work today, it has to be submitted tomorrow. Here you will have to finish your work today, it has to be submitted tomorrow. 29. Dash going to learn it easily, don't worry. You are going to learn it easily, don't worry. Dash eagerly waiting for you, come fast. I am eagerly waiting for you, come fast. Here's the hot questions. Choose the correct options to complete each sentence. I made clay toys. I made clay toys when I was in nursery. I made clay toys when I was in nursery. Dash heavy rains, they played football. Despite heavy rains, they played football. I am sorry, dash, I haven't finished my work. I am sorry, but I haven't finished my work yet. Means till now I haven't my work completed. 34. Jayati dash follow the rules, so she was punished. Jayati didn't follow the rules, so she was punished. You will come back on time dash you. Then question mark is there. So you will come back on time, won't you? Won't you? Someone is asking, you will come back on time, won't you? This one, the wrong answer. So here the answer is won't. You will come back on time, won't you? Okay, students. Today we have completed this part, conjunctions and contractions. Next we will do the next part. Okay, bye bye student.